Well, guys, if we make it safe today, it'll be an accomplishment. We probably had, I don't know, 1/10 to 2/10 inches of ice last night, and we're expecting 3 to 5 inches of snow. So we're taking our time, going slow. We got about 20 miles left. We're gonna get the birds up, and heck, hopefully we shoot a limit. I'd say with the wind and the snow, they shouldn't be hard to decoy, but just gonna depend what they do. We haven't had weather like this, so we'll see what happens. So pretty out here. It's a lesser. It looks like a EPP. Alright guys, we've shot a pair, and then we had a group of 7 come in. They were kind of long, so we shot another pair out of there, and then we just finished probably a group of 30 or 35. They did pretty good, and we killed 7, but one ended up flying off. So we've got 10 birds. We just checked, we've got a band too, so that's always good. It's really cold, it's snowing, so we don't know if we'll have any more birds come back. But we're gonna stick it out for another hour. Hopefully we can get our 5 more and be done. Do I hear more birds? Good boy. Dude, that was scary. Come here. Got it. First one 2 days in a row. Bryce drew it first shot too. That's awesome. All right, guys. We still got geese flying. Unfortunately, we needed 5 more, and we had a group of about 35 or 40 come in, and we were trying to be picky, so we killed 2 out of it. 3 out of it, and then about 5 minutes later, we had another Mondo bird come man, and we luckily only scratched 2 out of there. So we're done. We're gonna pick up, but awesome day. Finished 3 giant groups in here, so can't complain about that. We got 15 birds in the van. So.
That house is actually for sale that they're sitting on.
That's in
Canada.
Yeah, Canada.
It was banded there. I mean, it was banded 6 months ago.
That's exactly how